Okay, bachi. So next are the polyesters. So polyesters are also commonly used synthetic fibers. So bachi, terylene, okay, dacron, terene. These are some of the polyester fibers, so which are made from the petroleum products. Okay, so that is why its name is given polyester, which is made from petroleum. Okay, so let's talk about. The properties of polyester, but this is also quite strong fabric. Okay, so it is very longer than the polyesters. Polyester fabrics also absorb very little water. Okay, so clothes are drying very quickly. Polyesters are wrinkle resistance. Okay, polyesters are used, they are used in making the saris. It is used for making dress materials. Okay, so it is also used for bending and other fibers. Okay, so blending the other fibers means it is being mixed with the cotton. So it is terry coat means cotton plus polyester. Wool, it gives a terry wool. Okay, so it means they are mixing. Blending means mixing with each other for making the sailboats. Okay, for make water hoses, for making conveyor belts. Okay, so next is the acrylic. Okay, so let's discuss about the acrylic now. So bache, acrylic, these are the fibers which are feeling similar to the wool. Okay, so commonly used for making sweaters, shawl, blankets and carpets. Okay bache, so these are made from the all these clothes are made from the acrylic fibers, and these are quite cheaper as compared to the wool. Okay, so what are the characteristics of it? So bache, do not get wet very soon. Okay, dry up quickly. Durable means it is very long lasting. It can be drawn into any of the shape size. It is lightweighted than the wool. Okay, they are strong, and it is also long lasting and easy to maintain. Means it is not if it is kept in the special equipment, means is it easy to maintain. Okay, synthetic fibers are quite cheaper as compared to the natural fibers. Is it clear? It is made from factories, so it is quite cheaper as compared to the natural fibers. Okay, so let's discuss the activity now. So but you see, to study the water absorbing property of the various clothing materials, so what you have to do, you have to take the three of the test tubes or the three stripes you can take of the different clothes, then dip it in the water. We will see how much it is being absorbing the water. Okay, so this is the level content of the water which is being absorbed. You will see the cotton is having maximum absorption of cotton